Explaining the methodology section of the Elsevier journal article. Hello everyone, my name is Nugroho Wisnumurti and this short presentation I will explain and compare the methodology section from the two Elsevier research article published in Result in Engineering. The first article is titled Two-Step Optimization of Hybrid Friction Stir Welding Parameter for Max 3D Printed ABS to ESA joint by Nicolas Montekis et al. Published in Result in Engineering. Volume 28 Desember 2025. The second article is titled Nanosecond Laser Welding for Copper to Silicon Carbide Lab Joint with Optimized Parameter by Mohsin Raza and Yu Lung Lo, also published in Result in Engineering. Number 2, methodology of the first article. Let's start with the first paper to hybrid friction stir welding for ABS to ESA joints. In the methodology section, the researchers focused on optimizing welding parameter using a two-stage experimental design. In the first stage, they use a Taguchi L9 orthogonal array to identify the most influential parameter such as torsion speed RS, travel speed TS, solder diameter, pin diameter. In the second stage, they applied a full factorial design using the optimal tool geometry from the first stage to refine the process. They measured tensile and flexural strength, stiffness, temperature, and friction index as the response variable. All samples were 3D to printer ABS and ESA part joined by friction stir welding or FSW. The data were then analyzed using regression model to linear and reduced quadratic to achieving an R2 above 99%, which confirmed the reliability of the optimizing process. And number 3, methodology of the second article. The second article, nanosecond laser welding for 2 to SEC lab joint use a more complex approach combining experiment, simulation, and artificial intelligence. The methodology include experimental setup, nanosecond ytterbium fiber laser operating at 1064 nm, wave wavelength was used to weld copper foil 0,3 mm to SiC substrate 0,33 mm. Key laser parameters such as pulse rate, spot size, and beam quality were precisely controlled. Mechanical testing: they use a DCIR tester to measure bonding strength with 4 sets of laser parameters and 3 samples per set to ensure repeatability. Numerical simulation: they employed Flow 3D simulation software to model heat transfer and multiple information using a Gaussian heat flux model and FOV, or volume of fluid method. Optimizing: they trained an optical neural network or ENN to predict optimally welding parameter or laser power and speed to achieve this desired output with 0,290 to 0,325 mm and dip 0,290 to 0,350 mm. This hybrid approach allows them to optimize parameters that produce crack to free to SiC joint with shear strength up to 20 MPa. And number 4, comparison of the two methodologies. Aspect Article 1, friction stir welding. Article 2, laser welding. Material ABS to ASA. Polymer CU to SiC or metal ceramic. Method type: experimental, Taguchi, full factorial. Experimental plus simulation plus ANN, main tool SFB, machine, mechanical, testing laser setup, DCIR tester, Flow 3D, optimizing statistical regression model, ALBASET or ENN, modeling, focus mechanical strength improvement, interface, bonding, and crack reduction, analysis output, regression or R2 sama dengan 0,99, simulasi akurasi or error minus 10%. Both study focus on optimizing welding parameter, but they ask different approaches. The first relied on traditional statistical method, while the second integrate simulation and machine learning for deeper analysis. And number 5, conclusion. To conclude, both methodologies reflect the diversity of modern engineering research. The first article applied experimental optimizing to improve the mechanical properties of polymer joint. The second article combined advanced simulation and AI to achieve precision bonding in metal ceramic joint. The contrasting method demonstrate how traditional and modern techniques can complete each other in solving complex manufacturing problems. Thank you very much to watching.